Cubby Clan, it is Black China Bear. I'm here to do a wig review for Fabulosity hair. So if you want to, you can follow them on their Facebook and Instagram account. And this is their website right here. I will of course list everything down below in the description bar for you guys. Discount code Black Bear. I chose their knotless braided wig, so we're gonna go all into it. I'm gonna open it up, show you the wig. We're gonna be slapping it on our head today, so we're gonna get right into this wig. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig that I got, and they have different kinds of wigs on the website. This is just one of the wigs, and this is the one that I requested, but they have all kinds of different wigs, different colors, different styles of braided wigs. Like, it's a wide variety of wigs on the website. I'm going to show you the ones I got. I'm going to go into like shipping, all of that good stuff. So let's just go ahead and jump into this package. The first thing in here, which I thought was really bomb, they sent me a hair bonnet. So if you're one of those people that sleep with your wigs on, this is going to come in handy. And I love this African print. Like, it is so beautiful. At first, when I was opening my packaging up, I thought it was like a scarf. I was like, I'm going to wear this out in the daytime. But it's actually a bonnet. So yeah, I'm going to be wearing this to sleep. And it is satin lined. And it's nice quality, you guys. It's very, very nice quality and commanding. Every time I start filming, my guys, before I started filming, he was asleep. He was asleep, you guys. Now he want to wake up. Anyways, next thing in here are some wig caps. I already have one on, so I'm not even going to bother to open those. And then we have our wig. So it looks like you just pretty much put plaits in your normal hair rather than having like that knot at the root of the hair. So it's more of a natural look. This is a full lace wig, so it's all lace, no tracks, no wefts, however you want to call it. And these are human hair wigs. The wigs take about 3 weeks for processing, and then after they ship out, it's about 3 to 5 days for shipping. This is black hair, and it is bleached. So like, you don't have to bleach it. Honestly, for me, I would like the knots to be a little bit more bleached because I can still sort of see them in there. But you can still hide that with powder, or if you have like the lace tint spray, you can hide it with that. But it looks very, very good. And you guys can see there is no tracks or anything in there. And I love the fact that you can just part it anywhere you want to and style it. As you can see, the braid starts from the root and just goes down. There are no knots. So this braid is the baby hairs. So like, once you put it on, you will unbraid that and go ahead and style your baby hairs. Or if you don't like baby hairs, you can just cut that hair off. And then this is like the Swiss lace right here. It's very soft and it's tinted light brown. On the inside of the wig, and guys, tell me one thing, this wig smells so freaking good. Like, it's like a perfumey, I don't know if it's the products they used on it, but it doesn't stink. It smells like a perfumey scent to it. It's really nice. Anyway, so let's go into the inside of this cap. So you guys can see, like I said, it's full lace, so you can part it anywhere. It has a comb right here. It has the elastic band. So it has a comb at the nape as well, and it has the adjustable straps. And then looking in here, it also has combs on the side here. You can see all through this cap. I don't know if I'm gonna have to, I never do this, I never ever do this, but I'm gonna have to get my cap glued down to my skin. I would be wearing earrings right now. No, sweet Jesus, look at that. Oh no. Ugh. This side is not as far down as I want it to be, but we're gonna see what we can do. I think this is probably my first time ever doing this technique, y'all. I really want this wig to look beautiful because it's so gorgeous. I should go outside like this. Like I'm slaying. Y'all ain't even ready for this. I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. I'm gonna try gluing it and drying it, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. I'm just using a razor comb to cut the lace, so that way it's not too straight with the scissors. This thing is stuck, boo boo. Woo. I'm gonna finish this side. I'll be right back. I'm a baby hair fanatic. If you don't like baby hairs, you ain't gotta wear baby hairs. You know, you good. I love baby hairs, like maybe because you know I grew up in that era. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs. I think I probably should have went up one more size in my cap size, but that's on me, boo boo. It's definitely not on them because they asked for my cap size, and I was like, I was so sure, but I don't think I was sure. But we're gonna make fetch work. So let me take this down, and then I'm gonna style my baby hairs.
She push up against me, ooh, she tipsy. I had enough combo for 24. I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you I'm fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her plank on it.
Guys, I got my baby hair slicked down. Like I said, I'm a baby hair fanatic. You ain't gotta do all dramatic like I am, but like totally feeling a 90s vibe with this unit. She is gorgeous, you guys. I was gonna put powder on her, but like now that I see her on, I don't feel a need to. It's just gorgeous. It is so sexy. I love how natural it is. Do you see how flat she lays, you guys? Like, look how flat she's gonna be. I got them from the Dollar Tree. You see her little hooks. It's so much easier to put your hair in a ponytail when you have these little things like this. because you can just wrap it around and hook it. So let me show you guys the hair from the back. I tried to cut the lace off after I put the wig on. Hopefully I have all the lace off. I'm trying to remember what length I got. I think I got 26 inches. Knowing me, I got 26 inches. But all you would do is take this thing and grab it on both ends and then just hook it. So then you have an instant ponytail without all that work of having to wrap around the braids. And you can do the pineapple on top. I've already done that the other day. You can do the pineapple on top. I use it with my curly wig and it rocks. This wig is freaking phenomenal, you guys. Like, she's fitting pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Ugh. As you see how she just lays down, you don't have to train it. That's the thing, like with the knotted braids too, like you don't get the option to just lay it down. Like you have to train it and spray it and tie a scarf on it and get the braids to train the lay to a certain side. You can just toss these over and they're gonna lay. Like, sis, she is pretty. Oh, and guys, I also got some of these from the Dollar Tree as well. Don't ask me when they started carrying black hair braids, but I got these as well for my braids. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the ends. This is what the ends look like. They're braided all the way down. It's very neat. There we go. This is cute. Imagine like if you did like a rope of all these and then just looped it back here and pinned it. Oh, come on. Come on, sis. Just come on. And then if you wanted to, you can do like one on both sides and then just pin it back here with a bobby pin. She is me and I am her, and together we slay. We slay. It just looks so freaking natural. Like, oh my gosh, guys, my eye ash, she makes a mean top knot. Okay. I know, just I know.